What's going on, everybody? I know I just uploaded a video, but I just want to address something real quick because this is super annoying. The second I posted my video, it was demonetized. And actually, I haven't had any kind of problem with any of my videos in the last 6 months or so being demonetized. Not an issue in the world. But just because the title is that right there, Shelby GT500 Fake News, they demonetized me, and they're limiting my audience. So not everybody can see my video. Like, it's not going to show up in the suggested, or people aren't going to get notifications saying, "Oh, blah 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 just posted a video." So this is the kind of things that's really annoying. I think that YouTube needs to be a neutral base, but with how big YouTube is and how some people make their livelihoods off of YouTube, it needs to be a fair system. It's annoying. Hey, I mean, I know I'm only, what, 2,100 subscribers strong. I mean, I have right about a million views. I mean, I'm not huge, and I know I'm not going to make a difference. It sucks because the reason that it's demonetized and the audience is limited is because it's saying how the advertisers avoid placing ads on videos that don't align with their brand. For example, they may choose not to advertise on content that's sexually suggestive, bad language, or considered controversial. I mean, okay, yeah. The dual clutch transmission in the GT500 is so controversial, but it's car stuff, so it's annoying. Let me know, because I know I have several other YouTubers following me. Let me know if y'all have gotten, really weird demonetizations like this, because this is super annoying. But the one thing I think is kind of funny is that, all I did was include fake news. I didn't say anything about Donald Trump or Republicans or Democrats or anything. All I said was fake news, and YouTube's going to limit my audience, so take that as you will. So guys, I really do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and please subscribe. And as always, have a great day.